Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Puma Roma sneaker for kids. The Puma Unisex-Child Roma sneaker. This shoe takes a timeless classic design from the Puma archives, originally launched in 1968, and gives it a fresh, modern update that's perfect for kids on the go. Right off the bat, the design stands out with its clean, all-leather upper that offers both style and durability. The leather is sourced responsibly from a leather working group certified tannery, so you know Puma is committed to more sustainable production practices. The silhouette is lightweight, inspired by soccer shoes, making it a versatile choice whether your little one is running around the playground or just out and about. Comfort is a major focus here. Puma equips this sneaker with a thick padded tongue and orthopedic arch supports to ensure your child's feet are supported throughout the day. There's also the kinder fit removable sock liner, specifically designed for kids, which adds an extra layer of comfort and allows for adjustments as your child grows. The sole is made from durable rubber, and the outer material includes ethylene vinyl acetate, providing flexibility and cushioning where it counts. This shoe is available in a variety of sizes, spanning from little kid to big kid sizes, so it can grow with your child or fit a range of ages comfortably. The Puma Roma sneaker's lightweight construction means it won't weigh down small feet, and its soccer-inspired roots give it an athletic edge that pairs well with casual or sporty outfits. The craftsmanship shows in the details, with the padded tongue not only adding comfort but also a stylish touch. The orthopedic arch support is a thoughtful feature, often missing in kids' sneakers, helping promote healthy foot development. The outsole grips well thanks to its rubber material, making it a practical choice for active children. Puma has managed to blend nostalgia with functionality in this model. Whether your child is a budding athlete or just needs a reliable sneaker for everyday wear, the Roma delivers on both fronts. Plus, the shoe's clean white colorway is versatile and easy to match with any outfit, making it a practical addition to any kid's wardrobe. Overall, the Puma Unisex-Child Roma sneaker combines a retro vibe with modern comfort and responsible manufacturing, making it a top contender in kids' sneakers. If you're looking for a sneaker that balances style, support, and sustainability, this might just be the perfect fit. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.